Just want to say a real huge thank you and welcome to everyone who's braved the heat to travel here to Manchester for our second UK Human Functional Genomics Initiative Symposium. So I'm just going to say a couple of quick things about the initiative for those that don't know. So this is a UK-wide collaboration that's dedicated to characterising the functional consequences of disease-associated variation. So we've been going a couple of years now. It was launched with almost £29 million investment from MRC and BBSRC. And then alongside that, AstraZeneca and the MRC have co-funded the Functional Genomics Screening Lab at the Milner Institute. And you'll hear a case study from that later. So our aims are to be a really open and collaborative network. And the aim is to span both academia and industry, but also link to other non-academic partners, and particularly branching and trying to foster links with clinical colleagues, with the overall goal of translating functional genomic research into real benefits for health and well-being. And just to say, yeah, we're 2 years in, but we are being ambitious and we have real plans for expanding the initiative. So twofold to take from that. One is, please do get involved, even if you're not currently part of the initiative or funded through the initiative. We'd really welcome you to be part of the community. And if you've got ideas around new clusters or disease areas that you might be interested in sort of linking in with us, then we'd love to hear. So I don't think I need to tell this audience about why kind of putting functional genomic data together with genetic data is useful. Obviously, with all the annotations that are now being generated, and we'll hear some of these today, we can really start generating hypotheses about function that can be tested through all the new sort of gene editing and other types of perturbation approaches. And we obviously have the ability to do really cool functional readouts now in models that are more and more relevant for disease. And I think we'll touch on a lot of those things during the meeting today. I'm not going to read through this because we're running low on time, but this just sort of gives you an overview of a few of the things that we've been up to. I did just want to flag a few opportunities that might be of interest. So the first is that we currently have open an academic and industry partnership funding scheme. So these are for awards up to £100,000. Again, I won't read the details, but there's information in your booklets. Yeah, please do apply. It's a really great opportunity to sort of get involved in the initiative. And the other kind of funding or funded opportunity that people can get involved in at the moment is through partnering with the Functional Genomics Screening Lab at the Milner Institute. And you'll hear a really nice case study from what that type of experiment can do later. Again, there's sort of details about how you can partner with them and undertake a screen using their really amazing cutting edge facilities. A few other things to point you to. One is that we are very passionate about what happens to the data, and we have a dedicated data coordination center. They have a table here, so talk to them. All sorts of solutions for making data fair and reproducible and open. We have a thriving ECR network. Again, they have a table. This is open to any ECR working in functional genomics. There's seminar series, training, workshops. So please go and talk to them at their table today if that's something that's of interest to you. Their first sort of seminars coming up in October. And just to advertise a workshop that we have coming up in partnership with Google DeepMind. This is being run down in Exeter. This is a functional genomics and AI summer school in early September, and there are still some places available on that. That looks like it's going to be a really important and relevant meeting. And again, we have a couple of speakers from Google DeepMind here today. Finally, just to highlight, please check out the posters in the break. We have some, for those that are presenting posters, we have some really cool prizes. So, do your best at your poster, and everyone can vote for their favorite poster using the QR code. So with that, I'm going to hand over to Taya. So we've got the some of the ECRs in the initiative to sort of run today. So the first ECR is Taya, who's based in the Data Coordination Centre down in Exeter. So I'll hand over to Taya to take it away, and I've got an easy rest of the day. So thank you.
Thank you, John.